The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. My name is Dancehall. I'm here again. You see now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show you what it looks like when a person's house was being flooded out by water because of rainfall that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to where exactly within the country of Jamaica this had happened. But this video is going to show you some things that more than one person go through when a community within the country of Jamaica had flooded because of rainfall that happened within that community that is within the country of Jamaica. And by the looks of this video, you know, I get the understanding that more than one houses got flooded within that community. You see what I say? So, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes that you're about to see in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
That's me. Feet a lip up.
So what if you do? Take up the boat.
You can't even fit in a this shoes there.
Peer foolishness, come on, that's why I go there, boss. Peer foolishness. Watch out! Maybe walk around and then you watch way.
Watch Spike and Puff around come in here.
You can't fit you.
No. God.
Watch out, Jesus, have mercy. Have mercy, God. Have mercy, oh God. Take up the card. Wash way.
You know, wash way. Now plug it over.
Jesus have mercy in my house, I tell you. Look up the boat. What a place that you don't know, God. Jesus.
Excuse me. Jesus! No way! Excuse. Turn off the whole light switch then. Turn off everything.
No way! Lord have mercy!
Scotty, stay over here then.
Lord have mercy! You take up your car?
Yeah, I'm plug out everything.
Mercy.
Mommy, the car moved to blow. Maybe. Try go in, maybe. Lord God, mommy, the car. Bomba. What is man? Mommy, let in, Scotty. I'm out the door.
Come, Scotty.
Lord God.
Done.
Mommy, lock the door. No, don't lock it. Make it stay. Make the grill stay and catch anything where I try to wash it. Make it stay like that. Mommy, daddy car lift up and move, you know.
Stand him. Jesus have mercy. Jesus.
Mommy, door pull and gone at Daniela room. Oh. Lord Jesus, what this man? Maybe alright. Look, man, the car licking, you know, maybe it's moving, you know. The car wash away, you know. No, man, the government have to go do something about this. Eh? I don't know.
We don't know what we done. We don't know. We don't know what we're doing.
Watch your man. Watch your. Mommy, me lock the door. The door. A door. Me lock this.
Where the bucket you come from?
Out the door.
Jesus, everything wash away. Everything wash away.
No man, they have to pay.
Jesus.
They have to pay.
Oh God. Jesus,
They have to pay. Yeah, me plug it out. Me not take it up. It under water. Me turn it off. Don't worry yourself. Me lock it off. Then the whole of the yard flood out. All the car, tell him to car, I wash away everything.
The arse full, now the arse full. The arse full. Jesus. Pull up, we can't do nothing. Pull up,
Mommy, Daniela, door pull again. Oh, Daniela, house pull. Mommy, what Scotty I try to save himself to rotted. No. This can't work. This is not happening. Me have video everything. No worry yourself. Me have video everything. Nothing now go on video. Eh?
Everything wash away. God, do that. What to sheet them? What is? Put this fire light. Man, the jump in our water. What to sheet them? Everything. Oh God. Jesus.
God, boy, the sticker wash coming here. What this man? Daniela room and make so much water come in here. Come up. Me see it. You know see dirt come in here.
Yes.
In flood out next door.
Why?
Do it, you good? Do it. You alright? Do it, you alright? Am I right?
Jesus! Don't have the phone. You'll be everything. Don't have the phone, I'll put your eyes. I'm mercy, everything I wash on. Oh God. Jesus. Don't know what else to do. What else to do?
Maybe you alright out there? Mommy, look on the daddy car. Daddy car, do you want me to be hard? Yeah. Me have video, relax. I don't know. Eh? Yeah, because I can't lock. Scotty, come. Come, Scotty. Come, go in our chair. Come. Come, Scotty. Come. Come, boy. Daniel. Come, Scotty.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I got some information about this video on social media, you know, and I was told that this happened at a certain place within the country of Jamaica, but you see, because I do not have the confirmed information to determine, say, yes, this is where it happened, I am not going to say it in this video, you understand me? But for sure, this had happened within the country of Jamaica. You understand? I might not have any information as to exactly when it happened, but this happened within the country of Jamaica. I only hope that the government of Jamaica take a look into this incident. So I say to you, I mean, take a good look into this incident and do something to make sure say something like this don't happen again. You see what I say? You can't stop flooding if flooding for happening, you see me, because of Mother Nature, you know. You understand me? But at least try and find some way to make sure so that these persons are, these citizens of Jamaica are safe. You get what I say to you? Because the things that I saw in this video, viewers and subscribers, really and truly, you know, just have me thinking for a whole heap of things. You see me here where the person says something about electric wire and all them things there. You see me I say, but wait, what if the current turn on? You see me, remember water that, you know, if the current turn on, warm to that. All them things that me start think about, you know. Man, it's not normal. You see me I say, it's not normal, is it? And you know, me don't go up say these persons don't go through something like this again. You see me I say to you, it's not normal, you know. You know, and one of the things I'm looking at, you know, you see me, is that this video had been recorded and put out there on social media for persons to see what these persons go through. You know, their house flooded because of rainfall and, you know, because of other reasons. You understand me? You see me? Viewers and subscribers, you can check the comment section of this video. Now I will leave comments in the comment section of this video that you know, might give you somewhat of information as to where this had happened. You see me? And I will tell you if it is confirmed information or not. You see me? I said to you, yeah, but you can check the comment section of this video, and you can also tell me where you think this had happened as well. You see me? I say, this is a horrible thing that happened, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Like, it's horrible, you know. And you see, if you listen the video carefully, you hear more than one person's talking in the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, these persons sound scared to me. You see me? I say, it's not a nice thing, yo. It's not nice when me I really and truly sit in the video, viewers and subscribers. It's not nice. I tell you. It's, to be honest, I'm telling you the truth. This video to me is somewhat shocking. So I said to you, I mean, I look at some of the things that's going on in the video. I'm really and truly, it had me thinking. You see me? I only hope so that this person is okay and alright. You see me? I got no confirmed information of any injuries to anyone. You see me? I got no confirmed information as to if anyone had lost their life. No, I did not get any information about anything like that. So I say, but you know, I saw this video on social media, and you know, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Yes, so I say. So here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.